Dear students, now we are going to discuss exercise 7.1 give and give roots chapter. First question: which of the following are not perfect gives? So here the first one, we are going to do this problem by using prime factorization method. So just give root, no. So now we need three numbers in a set. There is three combination. All the ones should be equal. So here consider 216 first problem, divide by 2, like that you can do the prime factorization, divide by 2 3 3. So you can write 216 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now 2 is the prime number, no. So now how many numbers are there here? 1 2 3. So round. So 3 numbers. Okay. Here 3 3 3. So 3 number. So here it's in this 3 number form. 1 2 3. Here also 1 2 3. So you have another number, suppose 5 means it's also 5 into 5 into 5. That means automatically it's a give number. Otherwise, we can tell it's not a give number. So now 2 and 3 is a prime number. It's in the set 1, 2, 3 numbers, so that it's a perfect cube. Now consider 1 to 8 divided by 2, and finally you can consider 1 to 8 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 7 twos are there. So first 3 twos, one set. Second set is another 3 2 numbers. So now here 2 is empty. So here it's not in the set. It's not in the pair form. So it should be 2 into 2 into another 2 numbers are there, means we can tell it's a perfect cube. But here 2 is, this 2 is remaining, so that we can tell it's not a perfect cube. Similarly, 1000 divide by 2 and 5, we can try 2 and 5 are there. It's also in the set form 1 2 3. No, 1 2 is 3 number, 5 is 3 number, so that we can tell it's a perfect cube. Now consider 100. 100 we know the perfect square number, but whether it's a perfect cube or not, we're using prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 is there, but 1 2 is missing. 5 is there, but another 1 5 is missing. So definitely it's not a perfect cube. 2 is there, so we need 2, another 2. There is 3 number we need. 5 is there, 5 also 3 number we need. So it's not a perfect cube. Similarly 4, 6, 6, 5, 6 divide by 2 and 3, we can write all those in the 3 3 number. 2 first set, 2 second set, 3 3. So 1 2 3, everything in 3 3 3 3 numbers. So we can tell it's also a perfect cube. Right. Now second problem, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So using the prime factorization only you are going to solve this problem. So find the prime factorization. If any number is not in the form of 3 numbers, suppose 2, only 2 numbers are there, so we need to multiply another 2. Suppose 3 numbers are there, 5, 3 numbers are there, so leave it. So consider those numbers not in the form of set of 3 numbers. So set of 3 numbers means 2 should be 3, 3 should be 3. So 3 numbers we need here. So 2 4 3 divide by 3. So 2 4 3. No, how many 3s are 1 2 3 4 5. So here one set. Now we need to make this one also a set by multiplying another number. So 3. 1 2 3. Now 3. So here we can consider this is one of the set. This is our set, another set. So now what number should multiply? 3. So 3 should multiply, we get a perfect square number. So answer 3. Right. Next 2 5 6 divide by 2. So 2 5 6. No, first 3 numbers round. Next 3 numbers round. Next 2 into 2 only. 2 numbers are there. Now we need to make a set of 3 numbers multiplying by 2. 2 should be introduced. So this number introduced. So that's why 2 is the answer. 2 should multiply, we get a perfect. So there all the number comes to set of 3 numbers. Now 72. multiply, divide by 2 and divide by 3. 72 equal to 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So 3, 1, 3 is missing now. So that should be multiplied. Similarly, 6, 5, 7, 6, 7, 6 divided by 3 and 5. 5 into 5, 3 into 3. Now 5 is missing. 5 into 5 only, so 5 is missing. So answer 5. So just I multiplied this 5. 100. So it's a perfect square number. We know that 2 into 2, 5 into 5 only. So here 1, 2 is missing. Now multiply. Another 5 is missing. Now multiply. Now what number I introduced? 2 and 5. So multiply this 2 and 5 is 2 into 5. 10. 10 should multiply with this. We get a perfect square number. This is the answer. Now next problem. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So must be divided. Must be divided means we need to remove. Multiply means we need to add extra thing. That is we need to multiply extra. Here we need to divide. That is any number is not in the form of set of 3 numbers. Just divide. Just remove. The removed number is that answer. That number is final answer. So 81 we can divide by 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 3 is extra, no divide by 3. So answer 3. 1 to 8, 2, 2, 2, 2. So first pair, second pair, 2 is extra. That number is extra, so divide by 2. So answer 2. 1, 3, 5. So 5, another 3. So it's a set of 3 numbers. So that is extra. So remove this 5. That's why 5. 192. So 2 first set, another 2 also. Second set, 3 is extra. Remove. 704. 2 into 2 into 2. So here also first pair 2. Second pair also 2. Third one 11 is extra. So divide by 11. Next problem. Actually understand this problem. Worksheet makes a cuboid of a plastine of sides 5 to 5. How many such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? So here cuboid is small one. Actually small one. That is so here 5, 5, this one 2. So adjacent only I need to introduce another cube, that is 5, 2 and 5. So similarly I can form another cuboid, another cube by joining two more than 10 or more than 5 such number of cuboids. The question is, using this dimension I need to make a cube. Cube means all the sides should be equal. So everything suppose 10, 10, this is also 10. So all the sides should be equal. So like that I need to arrange. So shortcut idea is, or that understand is, we need to arrange such a manner that we need to find the dimensions of the new cube. But here just think about the first old cuboid 5 into 5. So just I need to make, or I need to arrange this one in the form of vector cube. For that here just idea is what number should multiply with that given one so that we get a perfect square. So 5 into 2 into 5. So here 5 and 2 is a prime number. So 5 is missing of 2 numbers. So 5 introduced, and the 2 is only one number. 2 2's introduced. Now 5 into 2 into 2 we introduced. So 20. So 20 cuboids needed to form such a cube. So how many such a cuboids will be needed to form a cube? So how many cuboids? 20. Using these 20 cuboids we may arrange the cube. So 20 cuboids means such a cuboid 5 into 2 into 5. So idea just solve by using your odd number should multiply so that I get a perfect square number. Thank you.